Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make peri peri soya prawns with peas. I've got the pan on medium heat with 3 tablespoons of butter ghee. You can also use a frying pan, whichever you prefer. And I'm placing 400 grams of soya prawns, which is peri peri flavored, into the pan. I'm going to fry them until they're sealed and golden brown. Once they're done, I'll remove them and use the same pan to cook. I've got 1 bay leaf, 2 green chili, half a cinnamon, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, one onion chopped, two ilachi, mix everything together and fry until light brown. Here I have 1 tablespoon Bombay masala, half a tablespoon Kashmiri powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon jeera powder. And mix them all together. Now I'm adding 6 grated tomatoes. And mix everything together again. One teaspoon Himalayan salt. One teaspoon ginger and garlic crushed. I'm now adding about 1/4 cup water and I'm going to let that cook for about 10 minutes. Once the tomato is cooked through, I'll be adding in about 1/2 cup of frozen peas. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon sugar just for the acid. And now I'm placing the soya prawns into the chutney and I'm going to let that simmer on low heat for about 15 minutes. If you like more chutney with your soya, you can always add more tomatoes, but today I decided to braise it dry. Soya prawns are all ready, guys. Lastly, I'll be garnishing with coriander. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.